In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grammarly Report 2025. Full guide. If you need a clean, shareable summary of your writing performance from Grammarly, this walkthrough will take you from search to a finished PDF in just a few moments. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly. In the results, click the official Grammarly website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Grammarly's familiar branding and editor options. Give the page a moment to fully load. If your connection is slow, be patient and avoid clicking multiple times while it finishes. Once you're on Grammarly's site, go to the editor dashboard. There you'll see your recent documents. Find the document you want to report for and click to open it. The report you're about to download is specific to the document you open, so make sure you select the correct one. Inside the editor, look toward the top center of the screen for the overall score. This score reflects Grammarly's assessment of your document, including clarity, correctness, and other quality indicators. Click the overall score to open the detailed performance view. This is the area that summarizes key stats and gives you the option to export everything neatly. In the performance view, choose Download PDF Report. Grammarly will generate a polished PDF that typically includes word count, readability metrics, vocabulary insights, and an overall performance snapshot. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or your browser may ask where you want to save it. If the button looks inactive for a moment, give it time. Grammarly may still be finalizing the analysis behind the scenes, especially for longer documents. After the download finishes, open your file to confirm everything looks good. You should see your document's high-level stats and insights arranged in a clean, professional layout. This is perfect for sharing with collaborators, submitting as proof of edits, or keeping for your records. If you ever need to repeat the process, just open a different document in the editor and follow the same steps to generate a new report. That's all it takes. Search for Grammarly, open your document, click Overall Score, download the PDF report, and open the file. Feel free to pause this video at any point while you follow along. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly get the report you need.